We're on now. Alec, you found your glasses?
No. Have you seen them?
Oh, better put mine on now.
Aye, she's about to say that, put your glasses on.
Right, I've changed helmets.
Hopefully that will cure your problem.
No, that helmet's too small.
I found my glasses.
Right, that helmet's too small.
Yeah, I think so.
Right, well we take John through the Megget Valley, Alec, on the way home.
Is it on the way home?
Aye?
Aye, that's fine. Aye. That is a beautiful view. That's lovely new business.
Aye.
It's nice, eh?
It's lovely.
Excellent.
Aye, it's beautiful down here, John. It's even better when there's no cars. Aye. Aye, it's Hatch.
Photographs next to that.
Aye, this road's cracking like. We'll pass through two reservoirs. The first one that we'll be coming to on the left will be Megget. And then we'll climb up the hill. And then we'll drop into Tala.
Only 3 miles difference between this way and back another way.
Yep. Is it working?
Well, I thought it was that we're going to have about 10 5, which is fine for me. We're going to stick that a bit more. I thought I might want a bit of football toilets.
Aye, this is better. Oh, John, wait till you get into it.
Condition as well.
Aye.
Like it's just been retapped or something. It's fucking great condition.
I think they've put that fucking spray stuff down there.
Nice.
You can camp down it here as well, eh? There's a wee camping spot on the left. Just further up, just at the reservoir, the start of the reservoir. There you are. That's the Megget Reservoir. It was all used to be. It used to be all farms and that down there, eh? It was a wee school and all that. And then obviously demolished them and then built the reservoir and flooded it. It's a wee Riley elf.
That's an old car, son.
It's a Riley elf. It's a mini, but a Riley elf.
Did you help me do go up there? Have you checked it?
Yeah, man. This is comfy, this helmet, eh? Yeah, it's alright on short journeys. Aye. Aye, that's what I'm going to do, Alec. I'm just going to keep it for work. It's going to be my work helmet.
Seriously, can you wait 5 minutes at the fucking parts?
No. So what do you think, John? What do you think of the view?
It's beautiful, huh?
Aye.
Beautiful. Oh, that's crank on a bike if you're fucking going to get needed.
Needed, my fucking shooter's killing me.
That's just gorgeous, isn't it?
It's lovely, eh?
Let's stick in that park space up here so I can be a point at night.
Aye.
Just because it looks like
Aye. Well, I'll get a photo.
that's it. And I'm going to do this in my pocket. I just park 3 bikes together and get a nice.
A photo.
This is absolutely fucking stunning, to be fair. Isn't it?
It's beautiful, eh?
Beautiful. Just got to take this one glove off. I'll give her. Get away. I never get any photos of my bike at all.
Yeah.
I never take them. I take photos of the view and all that, but I never take any of my fucking bike. Fucking stunning.
It's nice, eh?
I don't see the point in three-wheelers, like, unless you got a leg missing or something.
Well, exactly. A few ex-military guys with them.
Aye. That's insane, they're good for that, but it's fucking stunning here, it really is.
Aye, when I first got the 650, I came down here, I run myself, eh?
Aye, like I say, I'll probably come down here myself, because like I say, I'm off during the week a lot, so
Help if I put the fucking engine on, eh?
that'll help, aye.
Honest to God, man.
So you did glasses yet?
No, it was you that lost them.
That was fucking good, that's been my day, that's
John, that's what I've...
the only regret is you didn't have your camera on at the time.
John, that's what I've got to put up with on a daily basis with him, eh?
When you go, when you go.
You go.
This is a lot of people like this.
What we can do as well is we can stick the photos that we've taken today in our wee chat.
Yeah.
So everybody can take what pictures they want.
Yeah. Wish the bit rough. Oh yeah, screw this, I couldn't just play. Obviously the TS would jump the other place on that.
We were doing it the last time, Sean.
There's a wee campsite.
Aye, that's right, yes.
They're making our car park spots here, picking up the turf.
Aye.
Sheep up here. We're outnumbered.
Clutch on. Hello. Hiya, pal.
It's a lovely wee road, they look beautiful views.
You-
Keep your eye on the road.
Aye, and you've never been down here?
Nope. Not been here. Look, pension big rider.
Aye. Aye, I like it down here, eh?
Aye, so they are. I will be back down a few days, I think.
Yeah.
Even nicer than Sunday.
Every time I've came down here, it's been a beautiful day. I've never came down here when it's grey and gloomy.
Sean, all the times you've been out in the bike, last week was the fucking worst weather than that last 5 mile.
Yeah, it was.
No, guys, I watched your video coming back to fucking Germany. And that was pretty fucking real.
Aye, well that was only a fraction of it. Because it rained all the way from Italy to France. And Willie and I had to ride for 3 days in the torrential rain. It was that bad I couldn't film. Because it would have destroyed the camera.
Beautiful scenic. Fuck that.
Aye.
I don't fucking went in a hotel meeting.
We did, we ended
I
up...
would have waited till the rain gets off.
No, we ended up going into a hotel away up in the Alps, the only hotel that was open. £140 a night each. Fucking hell.
A Friday night, mate.
Aye, well we had to because we were cold and we were wet.
Aye.
And my comms stopped working, that's how much water came in through the helmet and I had to show you on. Look to your right,
Yeah. That's lovely, huh?
beautiful, eh?
Just start.
Afternoon, boys.
They've got some nice footage of their bike.
Sport is bumpy as fuck.
The bottle on it, if there is a.
Bumpy as fuck. Cracking view though, eh? Look at that. Dead ahead.
All that.
That's Falla.
That's
You glad I brought you this way then, John?
Do you get that on your camera?
Aye.
Make sure you put that up video to watch that for kids.
Yeah.
Big spotters weekend, isn't it?
I could live in that house down there day long, like.
I think we've came this way twice and we've came the other way in reverse twice on the bikes. You never get tired coming down here. It's steep as hell, eh?
Which is a bit fucking slippy here, like.
Aye, just stay off the gravel.
Back brake only.
Yep, back brake.
Just don't see it.
Brakes aren't letting you go up, they slips on it. So, the more I ride it, the more I like it. I definitely like this bike, definitely.
You've not got it to race, you've got it to fucking drive about and enjoy yourself.
Yep.
Because well, there you go, for sale.
So it's, I'm going to look it up. Okay, Galbraith.
Galbraith.
Yeah, we'll look that one up. Hey, that's about fucking 300,000 inclusive. Fucking name it.
Aye, just for the garden. House is extra.
Ah. Yeah, I like this as well.
Nice, eh?
Because I'm sitting in the bike, so I was a wee bit worried because I'm only bike.
Yeah.
And, but I'm quite pleased that
I'm seriously going to look at them, eh?
I think it's worth a lot more than bike.
Yeah.
But you look at the price of some of the locals.
Aye.
I take it this is all crazy for Edinburgh.
Aye, this feeds Edinburgh and the Lothians. Well, Edinburgh certainly. Probably Peebles and all that as well. It gets piped up, eh?
There's programs or something up ahead. Still be the
Is it another route?
You never get held up on a bike. Right to the front. Boom, boom.
no, it's just the element that there's a bastard route. So
Which you can't.
Tell you, I've never seen so many cars down here before.
No.
Normally it's quite quiet.
I've never seen any cars in here before.
There you are, John, that could be your next house. That wee one there in the middle of the... That wee one there in the middle of the water.
Hang on.
We could photograph you as well, Sean.
Yeah, we did, aye.
Turn left.
What's your gravel?
Yep.
Nice big house, that, eh?
That's a cracking house here, eh? That big fucking monster house out
That's,
there.
that's the waterboard.
Is it?
That must be their offices.